A big, beautiful house like this needs a lot of power though, and Dee's arranged a solar-powered visitor to sort that out too.
Look, I was thinking that the power supply would be okay here, but the way she was talking about on the phone, that it's going to save us all this amount of money and it's going to be great in the long run, but what she didn't mention is how much it's going to cost to put in.
What's your requirements? Like, what kind of stuff are you running here?
Well, we've got generally everything else a normal house has. We've got fridges, we've got TVs, we've got big air cons, we've got a pool, we've got a number of lights, so we've got a lot of stuff.
Okay, sounds like you're going to need quite a large system.
Yeah.
This is north here, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we've got a fantastic roof space here. So we can squeeze a lot of solar on.
Yeah,
there.
it'll go up there.
That's right. Yeah, we'd look at putting about 8 kilowatts on for you.
Wow, that sounds a lot.
Yeah.
It also sounds expensive. In terms of savings money on normal electricity bills, is that going to be significant, that size?
Oh, look, it's absolutely worth it, mate.
Yep.
And for a standard smaller 4.5 kilowatt system, would generally save you about $20,000 over the lifetime of that system. So about a 25-year lifespan.
Wow,
yeah.
that's a lot.
Yes.
So you can obviously see we've got a beautiful, freshly installed roof. Now, I don't really particularly want to go and put big solar panels all over the roof and make a bit of an eyesore on this side of the roof.
We can actually match the colour of the roof. We can put black framed panels, we can change the rails to black. It'll all blend in and it'll look really lovely at the end of it.
All right, well, make sure you don't scratch the roof.
No, absolutely not.
and go for your life.
Love Shack.
At least the solar guys are finished.
Dee, so the solar system's all installed for you now?
Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled with how good it looks. I didn't expect solar panels to be so seamless, so I'm really happy.
It doesn't just look great, it actually does some really special things as well.
Time for a crash course in solar.
A common misconception with a solar system is that you don't need to be connected to the grid. Well, it's not exactly the case. You need the grid to run with most systems, but this is where ours is different. We can isolate ourselves from the grid and we can utilise the battery power to basically support the house. Okay, so this is really important in a fire-prone zone, which is what we are, and there's a chance that the grid can go down when a fire comes through. So what we can do is we can use the stored battery power and we can sense that the grid is down and isolate ourselves from that and activate the pumps. So behind us we have some sprinklers which are run by electricity. What we can do now is we can simulate a grid outage by turning off the power and keep the pumps running.
Wow, I'd love to see if that really happened.
All right, let's go. Harry, flick the switch, please.
Well, Gavin, I have to say that was a bit underwhelming. Nothing happened.
That's sort of the point, Dee. It's working, it's seamless. So yeah, this is the point. And we're running our house from the battery power.
Wow.
And this is very valuable, particularly when you have a bushfire and you want to keep running those pumps and putting the fires out.
Yeah.
We can see here how much power we're actually producing on the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, as indicated by the panels.
Oh, wow.
We can see how much the house is actually using right now, live. And we can also see what the state of the charge is from the battery.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So the inverter's role is really to wait, to see the grid and wait for it to come back online, and then it will start to interact again like it would normally.
So, Jamie, this powers our whole house, this little thing here.
Yeah, that's right. This is the energy storage system here, and this is the inverter that Gavin was just talking to us about.
Okay.
So it actually powers a typical family home throughout the nighttime period.
Really? That's amazing.
So the actual battery and the system together does provide a high amount of power delivery. So that's important. If there is a blackout or a brownout, it can power a lot of appliances in your home. So if you want to power your TV, your fridge to keep your beers cold.
Definitely.
But also your pumps and things like that as well.
Yeah, that's really good.
The hour has arrived for our rampant renovators. Months of planning, months of work, a crazy last push, and everything's ready for the Fielders party and the grand unveiling.
I really didn't think we were going to make it. I put so much pressure on poor old Daz, but here we are, we're ready.
It's a great chance to show off how far they've come and to thank everyone who made it possible.
It's hard to believe, but your amazing panels are powering this whole party, thank goodness. Because of the home's location, we really wanted to think about the energy rating that we were going to get, and we wanted to achieve 6-star. So we got Construct Ramsey in to put in the highest grade insulation that we could have. So with the insulation, the windows that we've chosen, the solar panels and the battery storage, I feel like we've really done our bit and the home's really eco-friendly.
Love Shack.